Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to practice event-driven programming in C#. We will learn event-driven programming where a person saves money in their bank account, and when the balance reaches or exceeds a certain amount, it will raise an event and notify him. Okay. Now let's create a console app and let's name it event-driven programming demo. Now next, and create the console app. Now wait until it is created, and after creation, see here we will have program.cs and a sample code. Let's clear it. Now let's create another class for bank account. Let's name it bank account. Now we will write a program where a person will save money in their bank account, and when the balance will reach or exceed a certain amount, let's say it's $5,000, it will raise an event and notify him. So what is our specific goal here? To simulate a saving account, right? And there the person will save money to buy his dream bike, and when the account balance will reach 5,000, the program will notify him that the goal has been achieved and now he can buy his dream bike. Now let's declare a global variable that will store our account balance, public, decimal, balance, and let's set getter and private setter. Let's define the delegate. Public delegate void. Let's name it balance handler. Okay. And there we will have a decimal type parameter balance. Okay. Now let's create the event public event, and we want to create the event using our balance handler delegate, and let's name it dream bike. Okay, this event can be null, right? That means no one is subscribed to this event, so it's nullable. So let's set it nullable. After that, let's create a method that will deposit balance into our account. So let's do this. Public void, let's name it deposit, and then an amount parameter that will be deposited. Let's add this amount with the balance, and then let's print a message that the amount is deposited and the current balance is that deposited amount. Okay, so deposited amount is this, and then current balance, and inside this let's just print the current balance. So for now, when this function will be called, like deposit amount, this will add the amount with the balance, and it will also print a message that the deposited amount is this amount and the current balance is this. Okay, after that we will check if our balance is greater than equal 5,000, and if it's true, then we'll invoke our dream bike event. Let's do this. So if our balance is greater than 5,000, then we will invoke, let's say invoke the event, and we will send the balance. So when we're invoking this, we're sending our balance, right? So see, we need this balance in our delegate. Now let's go to our program.cs and let's create an instance of bank account. Let's name it bank, new bank account, and then using this bank account we can call the deposit method. Let's call bank dot deposit and let's send an amount. Okay, let's send $2,000. Let's deposit and let's send it $3,000. Okay, now let's create another method which will be called when the event is activated or triggered. Static void, let's name it success, and here we'll have a decimal type parameter which is balance. Console dot write line, and inside this let's print the message congratulations, your current balance is, now let's print the balance, and now you can buy your dream bike. So that's all. Now let's run the program and see what happened. See, in the first transaction the deposited amount is 2000 and the current balance become 2000. Now see, in the second transaction the deposited amount is 3000 and the current balance become 5000. As this satisfy our condition, so it's invoke or trigger the event and print congratulations, your current balance is 5000 and now you can buy your dream bike. Now let's recap once again what we are doing here. Let's go to bank account. See, here in bank account at first we're declaring a global variable balance to store our balance in the account, and after that we're defining a delegate and the delegate name is balance handler, and then using our delegate balance handler we are creating an event which is dream bike, and below we have a deposit method. Using this deposit we're saving money into our bank account. Let's go to program. In program we're creating an instance of bank account, and using this we're calling deposit method to save our money in the bank account. For the first transaction we're sending 2000 and second time 3000, and then in this line bank dot dream bike we are subscribing to the event, and when this will trigger it will call this success method that is below here, and inside this we are printing a message that congratulations, your current balance is this and now you can buy your dream bike. So now if I summarize, we learned how to use event in C# to create an event driven program. This program simulates saving money in bank accounts, and when the balance threshold is reached or exceeds $5,000, it raises an event to notify the person that he is now eligible to buy his dream bike. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.